Aurora's Glittering Adventure. In the heart of Crystal Valley, where unicorns lived under skies that shimmered with endless light, a unicorn named Aurora pranced through the glowing fields. With her shimmering pink coat and golden horn, Aurora had a magical gift. Her songs could make the valley's crystals glow even brighter. Every evening, as the sun dipped low, Aurora would hum her favourite melody, and the valley would sparkle like a dream. One evening, however, something strange happened. As Aurora began to sing, the crystals dimmed. The once brilliant valley darkened and shadows crept across the land. Aurora's heart raced as she noticed a giant figure emerging from behind a hill. It was the Twilight Dragon, a large, clumsy creature with scales that gleamed faintly like the night sky. He looked nervous, his big golden eyes darting around. "Who are you?" Aurora asked, her voice trembling slightly. "I'm sorry," the dragon mumbled. I made a mistake. I thought the crystal orb was a glowing fruit, and I accidentally swallowed it," Aurora gasped. The crystal orb was the source of light for the entire valley. Without it, everything would fade into darkness. But as she looked at the dragon's sheepish expression, she realised he hadn't meant any harm. "We need to get it back," Aurora said firmly. "I know," the dragon replied, "but I can only release it safely at the Glittering Grotto. It's far away and the path is dangerous." Aurora's golden horn glowed with determination. "Then we'll go together." As they set off, their first challenge came quickly. The shimmering stream, a river of liquid light that mirrored everything around it. The reflections were so perfect they created illusions, making it hard to tell where the real path lay. "I can't tell which way to go," the dragon said, his wings drooping. Aurora closed her eyes and began to hum. Her melody caused the stream to ripple and reveal the true path beneath the water. Carefully they crossed, their reflections waving goodbye as they stepped on to the other side. Further along they entered a dense forest where mischievous glow sprites darted through the trees, giggling. The sprites surrounded Aurora and the dragon, pulling at their tails and horns. "Let us pass!" Aurora pleaded, but the sprites only laughed. Thinking quickly, Aurora began to sing a soft, calming tune. The glow sprites paused, their tiny wings glittering in rhythm with the melody. Mesmerised by the song, they stopped their pranks and pointed the way to the Glittering Grotto before disappearing into the trees. Finally, they reached the echoing cavern, a dark cave that led to the grotto. The cavern was filled with puzzles. Each wall reflected their voices back at them in strange, jumbled ways. The echoes created a maze of sound that was hard to navigate. Aurora used her golden horn to cast a beam of light and sang a melody that harmonized with the echoes. The walls responded to her song, glowing faintly and guiding them to the grotto's entrance. Inside the Glittering Grotto, the dragon gently released the crystal orb. It rolled onto the ground, but its glow was faint and flickering. "It's lost its light," the dragon said sadly. Aurora stepped forward. "Not for long." She lowered her golden horn to the orb and began to sing her most heartfelt melody. Her voice filled the grotto, and the orb began to pulse with light. Slowly it grew brighter and brighter until it shone as brilliantly as the sun. The Twilight Dragon's scales glimmered in the renewed light. "You did it!" he exclaimed. "No," Aurora said, smiling. "We did it." When they returned to Crystal Valley, the unicorns cheered and danced under the restored light. The Twilight Dragon, once shy and clumsy, was now celebrated as a hero alongside Aurora. From that day on, the dragon became a regular visitor to Crystal Valley, bringing stories of his travels and laughter to the unicorns. Aurora learned that even the biggest mistakes could lead to the brightest adventures and the most unexpected friendships. As the stars began to twinkle that night, Aurora sang her melody once more, her heart full of gratitude and joy. The valley sparkled brighter than ever, a reminder of the magic that happens when courage and kindness come together.
Through the night, a gentle glow, Aurora's path begins to show. Whispers of magic, soft and bright, guiding her steps through the endless night. The stars align, the winds take flight, a dragon's call, a spark of light. With courage soaring, her heart will sing, a journey bound by dreams and wings. Shine, Aurora, let your light ignite. Through the shadows past the endless night, the Crystal Orb, its power untold, brings a tale of wonder, brave and bold. Echoes of hope in the harp's sweet tune, dancing beneath the silver moon. A symphony rises, her story unfolds. In the heart of the mountains, the legend is told. The winds of fate, they softly hum. The time has come, the dawn's begun. Through fire and frost, through storm and flame, her soul burns bright, she'll stake her claim. Shine, Aurora, let your light ignite. Through the shadows past the endless night, the Crystal Orb, its power untold, brings a tale of wonder, brave and bold. Her radiant glow, her spirit takes flight. The dragon roars in the morning light. Shine, Aurora, let your heart inspire. A melody born of dreams and fire. The Crystal Orb restores the sky, a world renewed before her eyes. A single star, her journey's guide, forever glows where dreams reside.